is Chaitanya with Love and Peace. Have you ever thought about the importance of silence? Well, in this video, I'm going to try help you understand what silence can do to you and your life. Let's check out. Most of the times, the problem we have is the problem of saying what is not yet ready to put forth. And there may be countless of reasons, like you want to make people see you are somebody that who has worth, or you want to make yourself look big, trying to put others or talk others down. Sometimes we gain respect by being aggressive, like godlike reverence to ourselves. We say everything that can be said just to hold a position of worthiness and to make people understand that we are as important too. And in that process, we say more than what we actually should. And I was wondering why we have two lips and a brain to think. And I could figure out that it might be the reason for us to know by reasoning what is the right time to talk and what is the right time not to talk. To able to envisage that when we should be heard and when we should be silent. When we have situations and circumstances which are seemingly wanting us to speak out. Indeed, life can be bit complicated and demanding. It may also throw us off the balance and give us no reason or time to be logical. Yet, in spite of that, because we have many situations which we don't have control over, yet understand and realize that you have control over your own life. Look at yourself more than you look at others or thinking about others. Saying so much is like providing a weapon to get hurt by your own words. In spite, on the other hand, being mysterious, being silent, make people go the extra mile towards you. Be still in your conversations and in your thoughts. Let people wonder about you. Let people play the guessing game. They may yell at you, you say nothing, you do nothing. They may come upon calling on you. Still, this is the time you will be forced not to stay calm, but you just say nothing. You are not doing them a favor, you are doing you a favor. Hearing nothing from you will make them take time to understand when they want to approach you. You confuse them with your silence. Your silence disrupts their overconfidence. Your silence will break the flow of their thoughts regarding you. Yes, people will keep coming upon you to define you in different ways because you haven't provided them any. It's like there is a man going to a dance club and he doesn't dance, and there is no one to laugh at his dance moves because he hasn't danced. Instead of trying to give reasons as to why you are better and why they are wrong, why don't you just keep quiet and steadily work towards your goal or your dream? Because bear in mind that you have a goal is better than the circumstance around you. Because the whole essence of you going down your particular life is for your own sake. While you stay focused on your goal, it leaves people entirely confused and thinking about you. Nobody is you, and that's what makes the difference. Once you realize that no one knows anything about you is when you understand that talking to people to convince about who you are doesn't really work. Because of your silence, if someone is trying to draw or if someone is intending to draw out a negative reaction from you, even then still say nothing and let your actions do the talking. And maybe smile on and leave them confused by saying nothing. All I'm asking you to do is listen and let others find it hard to figure out who you are. Let's try providing virtually nothing revealing about us while we live our life to the fullest. If this video makes sense to you, please share it to your friends and your family, and also subscribe to this channel. And I would like to hear from you. Please leave a comment. Thank you for watching. Love and peace, Chaitu. Bye.